Dear student, welcome to my new class. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you. I am also very sorry for my last class or previous class that you missed before Eid al-Adha because of uh, in, uh, because of technical problems. So let us enjoy our today's class. Today I will teach you Unit 7, Lesson 3. So let us see some slide. Again, welcome to my new class. Dear student, look at the pictures and discuss with yourself. What can you see in the picture? Guess. Here there are some boats on the bank of rivers and some people are gossiping, sitting on the boats. And in picture 2, some people are gossiping in tents. Have you ever seen this before? I think you have seen. This is called tents. Do you know who live there? I think you know about it. Here the people live who are gypsies or called nomads. Here is another picture of the boats. So our today's lesson is about gypsies. River gypsies in Bangladesh. Unit 7, Lesson 3. So dear student, you must open your textbook, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Dear student, I think you have already opened your book, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Let us know about the learning outcomes of this lesson. After this lesson, we will be know about ask and answer questions. Number 2, read and understand the text. Number 3, participate them in a short paragraph. Dear student, at first we will know some vocabs. I think you all know the meaning of these words. You must try to say the meanings of these words yourself. First of all, lifestyle. What is the meaning of lifestyle? Guess. Lifestyle means way of life or existence. In sentence, lifestyle is used in this way. How in human lifestyle they lead. Culture. Culture means arts, beliefs. We have our own culture that is shown in the Pahela Boishak or boat race. Nomadic. Can you guess the meaning of this word? Look. Who are nomadic? The people who do not live in same place for several days. They change their living place time to times. Synonyms or meaning: temporary, vagabond like, etc. Uses in a sentence. Nomadic life is indeed very difficult. Nomadic life is indeed very difficult. Waters. Meaning sea, ocean is the synonym. There are 7 waters in the world. Almost we all know their names. Tarpaulin. Tarpaulin meaning canvas of or thick cover. This is a tarpaulin made tents. Toddlers. The children of the Bedes or the nomads play with their pet animals. Toddler, synonym: infant, minor, baby, kid, etc. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the sands or by the side of the river. Lies. I think we are all popular with this word. Lies. It is the plural of laus. Its another meanings: parasites, fleas. Village women pick up lice sitting in a row. Have you ever seen the scenario? I think you all have seen the scenario. Section B. Here is a passage about river gypsies. I think you all have opened the passage. Let us read the passage. River gypsies. Look at river gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. They are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. What they have? The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups. How they live? They live in groups and do not own any land. They do not own any land. That means they have no land of their own. Therefore, they live a nomadic life. Nomadic, already we have known about the meanings of the word. Nomadic means they do not live in a permanent place. Nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. This kind of people roam across our country. That means they travel from one part to another part of our country on small country boats that they own. These boats are their houses, and that means these boats are their habitat houses, and these people are a part of our waters. These people are a part of our water. That means portion. In winter, many water bodies dry up. That means the river becomes waterless. At that time, they return to the mainland. Then when the river dry up in winter the river bodies dry up, and during the winter the river gypsies or Bede return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents. When they live in makeshift tarpaulin tents in winter, tarpaulin tents on open air river banks. You can see their mean relaxing in the tents because they do not have any work in the time. They passes their time idles. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. That means the children of the Bedes play with the dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing, that is combing their hair, picking up lice in twos or threes, sitting in a row. Dear student, I think now you all have understood the passage. Next, we will see some characteristics of the river gypsies of Bangladesh, and then I will ask you answer some questions. So you should read the passage silently in 2 minutes. I will give you just 2 minutes. You read the textbook silently. Dear learners, I think you all have completed reading silently. Now I will move to the next slide and we will see some characteristics of the river gypsies. In picture, we can see the Bede people are catching fish together in winter. Another picture, and this picture is during the monsoon. They are busy during this period to catch fish. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. In winter, when they do not have any work, they also dive in the river to collect natural pearls from the river bodies. You have already known about pearls from your before lesson. This is the tents where they live. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. They do not live in a place permanently. Dear students, now we will enjoy a video that they frequently do. Dear student, have you ever seen the scenario like this video? And if you have seen this before, who shows this picture? Or who charm us with snakes? You must know they are Bedes. The Bede mean people entertain us with showing their charming. The Bede people also sell herbal medicine to the common people of our country. Mean catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. The Bede mean sell the bangles and cosmetics and other things to door. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. The common people of our country generally believes they are magical power of the gypsies. The common people believe that they can lead away the evil spirit by their magic power. Now, the students, you will answer the following questions. Number 1, guess the answer. Who are river gypsies? I think you are all know the answer. Number 2, how do they live? Number 3, what do river gypsies do in winter? Number 4, what do river gypsies mean to for a living? Number 5, what do river gypsies women do for a living? Guess the answer of the questions. Now I will show the answers of these questions. You will just match the answer with your own with me. Let us see the answers of the question. Number 1. The question was, who are river gypsies? The answer will be, river gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. Ethnic group of Bangladesh, a group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede. You can note down the answer in your notebook. Number 2, the question was, how do they live? The answer, they live in groups and they live in groups. They live in groups and lead a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. Question number 3, what do river gypsies do in winter? In winter, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. Question number 4, what do river gypsies mean to for a living? River gypsies mean catch snakes and entertain people. River gypsies mean catch snakes and snakes and entertain people with snake charming and herbal cures for a living. And sell herbal cures for a living. Question number 5, what do river gypsy women do for a living? River gypsy women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things for a living. Dear student, I think you all have understood the topics and you will now be able to answer more questions about the passage. Let us move on to the next slide. Section B, question number 1. Discuss with your partner. Here there is no partner for you. Discuss with yourself and circle the right answer. Then you will just guess the answer. Number 1, the term ethnic. The term ethnic is connected with The correct answer, what will be the correct answer? Guess. People, plants, animals, fishes. Now match the answer with me. Number 2, river gypsies roam around on their boats about dash months, about 8 months. Question number 3, river gypsies live in tents. River gypsies live in tents in when? In, guess the answer. In, river gypsies live in tents in, I think, winter. Question number 4, the term nomadic refers to a person traveling from place to place. Dear student, I think you all have understood the passage and you will be answer all the question. And homework, you must try to practice to write a paragraph about river gypsies of Bangladesh. No more today. Allah Hafiz.